display settings in Windows 11. Windows 11 offers a range of options for adjusting your display settings, from changing screen resolution to configuring multiple monitors. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make the most out of your display setup. Adjusting screen resolution and scaling. What is screen resolution? Screen resolution refers to the number of pixels displayed on your screen, typically represented as horizontal pixels x vertical pixels, e.g., 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. Windows 11 usually selects the best resolution for your display automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. How to change screen resolution. 1. Open Settings. Press Windows key I to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Display Settings. From the left-hand side menu, click on System and then select Display from the options on the right. 3. Select your display. If you have multiple screens connected, choose the screen you want to adjust. For single screen setups, this step will be skipped. 4. Adjust resolution. Scroll down to the Display Resolution section. Click the drop-down menu and select your desired resolution. For Full HD, select 1920 by 1080. How to adjust scaling. If you want to make text, icons, and other on-screen elements larger, you can adjust the scale. 1. In the same Display Settings menu, find the Scale option at the top. 2. Choose a scale percentage where 100% is the default, and values like 125% or 150% will increase the size of text, windows, and icons. Setting up multiple screens. Windows 11 supports the use of multiple monitors for enhanced productivity. Here's how to configure them. Steps to configure multiple monitors. 1. Open Settings. Press Windows key I to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Display Settings. Go to System on the left-hand side, then select Display from the right-hand side. 3. Arrange your screens. You'll see a diagram representing your connected displays. You can drag these rectangles to match the physical arrangement of your monitors on your desk. For example, Screen 1 might be your main monitor, while Screen 2 is positioned to the right or left. Additional multiple display options. Multiple Displays menu. Click on Multiple Displays to expand additional options. Detect displays. If one of your screens isn't detected automatically, use the Detect option to force Windows to recognize it. Identify displays. This feature labels your screens with numbers, e.g. 1, 2, 3, to help you understand their layout. Wireless displays. You can also connect to wireless displays through screencasting if your PC supports this feature. By using these settings, you can fine-tune your display setup to suit your workspace and viewing preferences.